Welcome back everyone, Crowon here again. We're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Floater. So let's get import into our project. And Floater is very simplistic. Its job is just to give you the bobbing icons like games like World of Warcraft and some others use for their icons above NPC heads. So now we got import. Let's go ahead and open that README. And here's a very simple thing. It's just telling you to attach it to a game object as its use case. So we're going to go ahead and just go to our alchemist here and just open him up, and we have that quest overlay that pops up for telling us when they have a quest or when we got to turn in a quest. So we're going to go ahead and just expand floater scripts, and we're just going to drag this on to the quest overlay position and collapse this. Save our project. We'll collapse up the alchemist as well and hit play. And server and play, start. Run away from the skeleton, and now you can see up here on the alchemist that the quest icon is now bobbing up and down, showing that he has an active quest for us to take. Now if you pair this with some of our other add-ons, you can make this so you can change these icons and have like the exclamation point like Wildwood for a new quest and question mark for a turning quest and so on. Otherwise, that is it for Floater. I'll catch you in the next one.